If you want to open an app in the floating window mode or the pop-up view on OPPO Reno 15, then what you can do is, first of all, we can open an app that you want to open in the floating window mode. Then we're gonna go to the background apps, and then here above the app preview we have these three dots, so you should be able to tap over here, and if the app can be opened in the floating window mode, then you should be able to find this option. And there we go. Now we can use these corners in order to adjust the size of the pop-up view. We can tap out of these three dots over here to find some additional options. What you can also do is, if you use gestures for navigation, then you can swipe from the bottom of the phone to the upper right corner over here. You can find this floating window section, so you can drop an app over here, and as you can see, we can use an app like this as well and open it in the pop-up view like this. The third option involves a notification. So if you receive a notification and you have it in a form of a banner at the top of the screen, then you can swipe down to open the app in the floating window mode as well. And the fourth option is to use the sidebar. So if you open the sidebar, if you have sidebar activated, then you can just tap on any of these apps that you have available in here, and the app will be actually opened in the floating window mode. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.